Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and practical topic: organizing your thread spools with some awesome DIY storage ideas. If you're anything like me, you probably have a mountain of thread spools. But don't worry, we're going to tame that thread beast and make your sewing space a dream. Let's get started. First up, the pegboard. This is a total game changer. Grab a pegboard, paint it, and add some pegs. You can space them out however you like. This is perfect because you can easily see all your colors at a glance. It's super flexible. Next, we have a fantastic idea for the wall. A simple shelf. Measure the space you have available and install shelves. This method is great if you have a lot of large spools. Arrange them by color, type, or whatever works best. It's all about making your sewing life easier. Alright, let's talk about repurposing some items. Do you have an old shoe organizer? It's perfect for thread spool storage. Hang it on the back of your door or on a wall. It's got lots of little pockets, and they're just the right size. This is a great way to recycle and keep everything organized. Now, for those who love a bit of rustic charm, consider using mason jars. Attach the jar lids to a piece of wood, then screw the jars into the lids. Voila, you have a beautiful and practical thread storage system. You can even decorate the jars. It's cute and efficient. Here's a great idea for small spaces: a drawer organizer. You can buy these at most stores, or make one yourself using cardboard. Cut out dividers and place them in your drawer. It's inexpensive. Make sure the drawer is easy to reach. And for those on the go, a portable thread spool carrier is a must-have. You can find these at most craft stores, or repurpose a small toolbox. They're usually made with dividers and compartments. That allows you to transport your threads safely. Never be caught without the right thread again. Here's another great idea: a clear plastic container with dividers. These are great because you can see all your threads without opening anything. The clear plastic makes it easy to find what you need quickly. This is so convenient. Finally, don't forget the power of a good label. Labeling your thread spools by color or type can make a huge difference. This will save you time and frustration, and make your sewing projects more enjoyable. Trust me. So there you have it, a bunch of fun and easy DIY thread spool storage ideas. I hope you found these helpful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing!